Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Guys, today I have one Canon multifunction printer. The model number is MF628Cw. This is the new model actually for Canon, and this is multi-purpose machine with having copier, scanner and printer with fax utility. Guys, first of all, welcome to Smart Tech. You can see I have a sequence of Canon printers. You see in my previous video also. This is another model. Some of functions are same and some are different, so that's why I'm going to show you. In this printer have touch screen display. The buttons are different than old model, so stay with me, watch the complete video. We will get access to service mode, and I will show you some other functions also in service mode. I will rotate my camera and you can see the model. Or now we will go to the process that what we're going to do now. Yes guys, this is the Canon machine. You can see the model number in front of your screen, MF628Cw. First of all, you should know that any machine if have ending with W, it means this machine have wireless. If any Canon machine is ending with N word, it means that this machine have network connection only without wireless. So this is CW, it has both wireless and network card. This is a dashboard guys. This is quite different from old model. The old model has not touch screen and this is a touch screen. The old model has here one menu button, so we can access the menu. So in this machine there is no menu button, there's only touch screen. You have to rotate it with your finger. So I will show you how to access the service mode. Because there is no menu button, so we will press the home button. This is the home button. Press the home button, then same like before, press 2 8. Okay, then again home button. You can see printer is in service mode now. We can get access to any function you want. For example, if you will go to copier, there are some functions like display, input, output, adjust, function, option, counter. I use mostly the function key. I will tell you later to rotate the feeder roller if the printer is jamming the paper, or if we need to replace it. I use the function key. I will go back. If you will go to feeder, and feeder there are some adjust functions and other one. Go back, test mode, copier, feeder, function, feed on, adjust. Okay, copier, adjust, function. Okay guys, these are the service mode functions. Again I will repeat, press the home button, then 2 8, and again home button. This printer right now with me have issue with the paper pickup. I will rotate the feeder roller and fix it. That I will make another video. You will see how to rotate the feeder roller and how to clean it, and it will work again if it's showing an paper jam error. I will go back from here. If you want to rotate the feeder roller, see copier, then function, then VIFFNC. Go to VIFFNC, then you can see many options here. You will press FDRCHG, feeder chain. Okay, it's asking yes or no. I will not rotate now. Okay, I will show you in another video. Then we will rotate it, and again we will replace it over feeder roller. I will go back from here right now and will show you network options. Oh, it's not getting out. Okay, it came with the back button. Okay guys, in this machine you can see menu button is here, and there are network settings, other settings, same like old machine, but it's with only touch option. So you can use any other function. If you want to change the language or network setting, Wi-Fi direct connection, you can see enable Wi-Fi direct connection, make it on, so you can connect your mobile through with Wi-Fi with this machine. So I will turn it off now, guys. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your queries. Take care. Bye.